Family is core to everything that I do, and they take up a lot of my time outside of work. I have 2 young boys, 5 and 3 years old, and my house is just absolute chaos. So it's a ton of fun. We have our 3rd on the way as well. When I'm not with my family or working, I'm incredibly active. I don't drink any coffee, but I just have a ton of energy, and that shows up in everything that I do. I try and visit a new country every year. I'm an explorer and an adventurer. When I'm home, my hobbies include running, biking, swimming. I'm incredibly active. So I've run in 3 marathons. I'm trying to do all 6 major marathons. To relax, I listen to podcasts, read books, and try my hand in cooking as well. So when I speak about my professional journey, 2 themes or North Stars for me from the get-go in my career have been my desire to own and operate my own business, and then my desire to tap into my entrepreneurial spirit that I've always known that I've had ever since starting businesses in high school and college. When I graduated from University of Michigan's business school, though, I wanted to build a foundational skill set, one that would set me up for future success. So after stints in investment banking, corporate finance, private equity, and doing my master's in business, my MBA at University of Chicago, I felt like I had built up that skill set, that toolkit in finance, marketing, accounting, and corporate strategy that would allow me to set off on that entrepreneurial journey. Since then, I've started a consulting practice with fellow entrepreneurs in Chicago that was eventually acquired. I've gone on to work for a number of startups in leadership roles in finance, strategy, go-to-market, and sales, as these businesses have exponentially grown and hit billion-dollar valuations. And then most recently, about 2 or 3 years ago, I started my own residential home services company. And that business has doubled in size, doubled in geography, and now growing at a double-digit clip every year, which I'm incredibly proud of. I see myself as a dynamic leader, and running this cleaning company, it really taps into my strengths, being an operator, being able to execute operationally, think strategically, and also just being very analytical and financially minded. Acquiring a business allows me to continue tapping into those strengths. Not only that, but I've also learned from running this cleaning business just how fulfilling it is to really see those tangible results day after day, whether it's an employee telling me how much they love working for this company and the opportunities that we've unlocked for them, a customer leaving us a 5-star review because of an amazing experience. I want to continue replicating those experiences and giving back and adding to the community on both sides, whether it's the employees or the customers that we serve. And I just want to do that on a bigger scale.